This time I'm on Thika Super Highway. This is Thika Super Highway. And I want to tell you about that thing you see right there. Unaona hiyo kitu yenye mnaona pale? That was supposed to be a BRT station. BRT stands for Bus Rapid Transit. So this is the story. This is a story of how Kenyans have lost 3 billion Kenya shillings. Around 6th of July 2020, the Ministry of Transport allocated money, 5.5 billion shillings, to a company called Stekol Corporation. And they were supposed to build what we call a rapid bus transport. Naona sasa kama zile nchi za ngambo, kuna kuanga na mabasi zenye zinapita direct, zenye hazisimami kwa jam. So what they were supposed to do ni walikuwa nafaa create a lane which is dedicated for buses, and that lane was supposed to run from Ruiru all the way to Kenyatta National Hospital. 27 kilometers, 5.5 billion. Now the contractor has already been certified to be paid 2.9 billion, which is about 3 billion. But as you can see, ilistall kitambo na pesa ya wananchi imeenda. Hiyo ni station ilikuwa inafaa kuwa. There are 10 footbridges on this road. Kama hii moja, I'm at Kenyatta University. So hii footbridge, it was supposed to be modified. Naona hiyo modification imewekwa hiyo chuma. Na hiyo chuma imewekwa pande ile nyingine. That's another BRT station on that side. So there's a BRT station on that side, there's a BRT station on this side. Hiyo modification yenye imewekwa ilikuwa ya wananchi kuteremka. So you go through the footbridge, you go down the stairs, then you get into the BRT station. But this work was only started on 5 footbridges. 5 other footbridges were not done. So hii ni 3 billion pesa ya Wakenya ile wanazunguka, watu wanang'ang'ana kulipa taxes. Wengine, unajua Wakenya ile kitu hamkumbuki. Even if you don't pay taxes direct to the government, when you buy a kilo of sugar you pay tax. Ukinunua token ya KPLC 50 bob, 20 bob ni tax. Anything you spend money on in Kenya, you've paid taxes. So hii ni pesa yenu inaharibika hivi. Hii ni pesa yenu imeibwa. Sasa mnaona imekwama. The buses are nowhere, the footbridges are nowhere, and nothing is happening.